So guys, good morning. So we have got a Fortuna today for you. It is a 2-bedroom and we are on sector A. Nice big wide roads and the shops are just up there and around the corner, not too far. So let's go in and have a look around. As you can already see, there is off-road parking and you got your pedestrian gate here as well. So the walls are already raised for privacy. So let's go in and have a look around. Now just here, this is easy access to the property because there's only a couple of steps. I'm just going to show you down that end. So that goes into the garden there. And just here is your off-road parking. So you got room here for at least 2 cars, guys. Alright, so I'm going to take you into the house itself. So I've just come inside the property and we are on the front terrace, which has been enclosed for extra accommodation. It's quite a long room. You have ceiling lights and fans here. So I'm just going in here. Go through this eternal door here, and as you can see we have double glazed internal doors in here. Just here you have a pellet burner and you have a ceiling light and fan. The blingy kind, the more modern ones, when you put the fan on, the fan comes out but still gives loads of light to this room, illuminates it beautifully. So I'm going to pan around and you can give you an idea of how long the room is. So 2 ceiling lights and fans here. You got windows on either side of the door with blackout blinds. And of course you have your double glazed external windows here. So we'll have a look in here. So I'm just going to take you guys to the bedrooms and the bathroom. So we'll look at the master bedroom first. In here you have insect screens and you got blackout blinds on the windows. Got switches and sockets on either side of the bed, which is really handy. You have a ceiling light and fan above, and you've got your internal wardrobes with overhead storage. Okay. So just here you have your bathroom. It has a sink. It's set in a marble top there in a nice vanity unit. You've got your WC and your bath. All marble effect walls, and you have your shower just in there as well. Okay. Have a frosted glass window. And you got your mirror there. You've also, just behind the door there, you've got your overhead heater. Okay. So I'll take you into the guest bedroom now, which is the 2nd bedroom of the house. So in here is your 2nd bedroom. It has got a double bed in here. You've insect screens on the windows and blackout blinds. Just above, up top, you got your ceiling light and fan. And you also have a double wardrobe with integrated with your overhead storage there as well. Okay. So let me go and bring you into the dining area. So this is a nice dining area just here. Ample for a small family, table and 6 chairs. And just off that is your kitchen. Now if I just show you, you have plenty of top units and you got plenty of base units. You've also got your integrated hob and electric oven. You got your microwave over there as well. And your hood extractor. So just here you have a little extension which is like a utility room. So you've got your fridge freezer in there, more base units, and your double sink, and your washing machine. So just here is the back door off of the kitchen here, and this leads out onto an open terrace. So this open terrace is really nice if you want to sit and just enjoy your lunch in the afternoon or whatever. So I'm just taking another angle of this terrace so you get an idea of the width and length of it. And just over there, the far end, is a staircase, and that staircase leads up to your rooftop solarium. So I'm going to take you up there now, guys. So we are now up on the rooftop solarium. Up here, people hang their washing, but you could make use of this space by putting some false grass down. You could put some loungers, because this would be a nice sun trap if you want to sunbathe, and you're not too far from the shops either. So it looks a really nice area just around here, and beautiful views as well. So let me take you back down and we'll have a look at the pool area. You also have an underbuild with this house, so we'll have a look at that as well. So I've just come back downstairs and we're on the terrace just outside the kitchen. We've got a few more steps to go. So I've just come down here, so this makes a nice terrace. The garden needs a little tending to, but they're all non-slip tiles here. And this is a little room that could be turned into a workshop. Okay. So you've got windows here and windows there, so let's have a look at the underbuild. You've got your fresh oranges there for your breakfast. And this of course leads to the carport and your off-road parking for about 2 cars. You've got a gas boiler there. Now just let's go in here, have a look down here. This needs a little TLC, but it looks like somebody was trying to develop it. Oh, it has got an actual bathroom in here. You have got WC, a sink, and your boiler, and the shower. So the main stuff has been put in here. You just need to redo the walls, you know, a bit. So you've got quite a bit of area here. So I'll just look in here. So this will be the kitchen area. It's got partly base units and drawers. You've got an internal oven and a hob with sockets and uplighters. Got your uplighters just there and there. And you've got a window. Let's have a look in here now. Oh, this would be a bedroom. So you can fit a double bed in here, okay? Just gonna come in and pan around, and you've got your uplighters there as well. So it's already been started and reformed, but you just need a little bit of work to do on it. And here you've got a great big living room. Wow. Could do so much. So you have a strip light there that's fallen down, but other than that, let's have a look through this door here. Oh, this just goes out into the normal under the house, you know. So there's a lot of potential in this property, I've got to say. So I'm going to bend my head down a bit. So let's go out and we'll have a look around the pool area up here. So we're back to the front of the house here. You've raised flower beds there. And we'll go in here and we'll have a look at the pool area. So you got a good area here where you can put rattan furniture and that, have a nice terrace. Another area. Got a barbecue area there with seating and the pergola. Just needs tidying up, really, you know. And you got a nice large pool there, nice and wide. I'm just walking down here by the side of the pool. So you got an area where you have got loungers and a shower just behind there. I'll just pan around so you can see. So not a bad little property. Everything's in place. The underbuild needs a bit of TLC. Generally the property needs a little TLC, but you know, it is a great property, to be honest. And you got this fabulous, nice wide pool here as well. So guys, I'm back into the front of the house again. So if you are interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@lettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget the reference number and your email and your contact details, guys. Okay.